Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off hints and tutorials within the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty game on your device, and once you open it up, you can start a new game or load any of your old ones to continue playing. Now once the game is fully loaded, you can start enjoying your gameplay, and based on your preference, the hints and tutorials will either be available or not. Now if you wish to change this setting, just tap on the escape button to pause your game and then click on settings. From the settings page, click on user interface, and now you will see various different options. Within these options, you will find the tutorials checkbox as well as control hints. If you don't wish to see any hints or tutorials, you can click on these checkbox and remove the check marks. Once you do this, the tutorials and hints will be disabled. And on the other hand, if you wish to enable these tutorials, then simply make sure that these boxes are checked and accept these changes by clicking on the respective button. Once you do this, you can go back to your game, and your preferences regarding hints and tutorials will be applied to your gameplay right away. And there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable hints or tutorials within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.